So day 5? Well, day 1 for me, my coronavirus quarantine. Been working all week. It wasn't really a quarantine for me and her. We've been just living. It's been good. I don't like the whole being in the house thing. So now I gotta walk into Harris Teeter at the moment and get some groceries. Normally we would drive, but
he's slowing down and he's speeding up.
Well, must be.
6 feet away from me.
Yeah.
Actually, let's just pull off.
Let's pull off. Hey? Hey, man. Hey, go for people. You take your ass on the thing. What? So we can wait.
The mailman over there.
What the hell, the mailman? Scared of people. Let people up. You gotta pull me back walking. I should have bring my gun. Well, back to what we were saying. So, social distancing is going as good as we want it to be. I'm not good at social distance. I work with a lot of people, but I feel like you people should take heed to the warnings and just listen to what's going on, because people are dying out here. If they died, the old people are dying.
People that ain't never died before.
Exactly. People who never died before dying.
Per your president.
So we're gonna take time and address the community, and I just want people to stay safe. Jessica here, she's more in the medical field. She has friends that are dealing with this firsthand. Fortunately, I don't have to deal with it because I work in a different sector, but I do deal with people every day. She has friends right now. I'm getting kind of tired walking. Good Lord,
me too. I ain't been to the gym in
I get shortness of breath. I'm gonna have that
you ain't been to the gym, man.
I might have that damn corona. I think it's holding this camera too.
You don't have no choice.
Actually, get on this my right side. My left side, yeah, right side.
Why?
Because it's a gentleman thing to do.
Oh, now you want to be a gentleman.
But like I was saying,
a quarter mile.
God damn tired. What's going on? Whew. Gotta go to Harris Teeter and get some stuff. So what did your take on this whole corona uproar of everything going on?
Be safe, practice social distancing, limit your social media exposure, because
social media exposure. Oh.
Anxiety is on an all-time high for everybody and causes unnecessary panic.
Well, yeah, I get that. But yeah, I feel like the whole social media, everybody wants to be a doctor and everybody sees a story, they gotta share it, you know, because
I'm definitely limiting my social media exposure.
So have any friends that are dealing with this head on, like you people you know, other than like groups and social stuff?
No, not personally.
Yeah.
Thankfully.
Yeah, because what do you say? We're gonna walk to. We're going to Harris Teeter. We pick up some groceries.
How you know?
Because I tell them we were going somewhere. So the thing about it is, we try to make it seem like, you know, we're not really worried. But at first I wasn't really worried. But now it's like, all right, this is getting a lot of hand, and I'm like confused on what's going on. The gyms are closing. When the gym closed, I know it was serious. That should have been the first place.
Are you tired?
I don't know what's going on here now. I think it's talking and walking and holding his cameras, all the whole combination.
Oh, well, yeah, that is exerting some.
Hold on. Let's wait till we get to Harris Teeter, man.
Yes, let's let him catch his breath, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
We're doing locks.
So, this whole time, you know, I thought this whole. Hold on, shit. Is it on? So, this whole social distancing thing, I thought it was like a real deal type, Holyfield type thing. But people are still going about their daily lives. I mean, it's kind of sad, to be honest. Nobody actually giving this no kind of attention. I mean, Harris Teeter looks kind of packed for like Harris Teeter. Still a lot of people here. I mean, Buffalo Wild Wings, you know, I think they closed down.
Yeah,
but like all this shit, like here, people getting hair done, all this shit. What the hell's going on? I'm confused. I mean, we're part of the problem because we gotta get damn bacon and shit. We gotta walk to get bacon. I don't know. We didn't drive. But I guess just get.
We need to get out of the house here.
You go to Krispy Kreme. You can walk over there. You got some donuts while here.
To the house.
You gotta use the car, right? is uncured bacon.
So what do you like?
All right, check this out. Let me see. Make sure my damn mic on. I just saw a lady in this damn grocery store with gloves on her hand. And you know what she did? She took the gloves off to tap the screen of the damn thing.
The self-checkout.
Yeah, and she put the gloves back on. What the fuck is wrong with y'all people?
So now whatever was on those gloves are her.
It don't matter. She put it on her purse. She's taking her purse home. It's so confusing right now. Like, I am so perplexed. Let's say a big word. On what's going on. Because, oh God. And we went all over the grocery store to pick up this heavy ass thing of milk. And now oh God, I need a car. This
You sound like you need a breathing treatment.
This walking thing ain't for me. I'm gonna have that damn Rona. I got shortness of breath. Lord have mercy.
That is a lie.
Well, I ain't got that damn.
That.
I ain't got it. But, like I was saying, what is wrong with y'all people, man? Y'all know better than this. Y'all know way better than this. We ain't walking no damn more, I'll tell you
And
this.
by the way, we're about to go back to the store
Well, the reason,
because somebody want to eat fancy.
we go back to the store because I wanted crab macaroni with
You sound like a country man.
crab macaroni.
Crab macaroni.
A crab macaroni with
Crab mac and cheese.
crab mac and cheese. So hey guys, yeah, it's bad. I mean, we laugh and joke about this whole coronavirus situation, but it's a lot more serious than you think. People are actually dying, and I don't care what the numbers is, but people are dying, as Trump said. They have never died before. There's people dying, you know, just 4,000, maybe a small number, but who wants to die? Like, seriously. I think we're taking this so lightly that we're not taking the precautions and everything. We're kind of over exaggerating everything, and like, you know, it's the media is lying. Yes, the media may have they may have hyped it up, but it's still a serious matter. Don't think because hey, I'm young, and they calling it an old person virus. There's young people getting infected with it too, and you know they may, there's still potential of death regardless of how light the situation we're trying to make it. Me, when I first started, I was like you guys. I was like, oh, this is nothing. This is exaggerated cold. People die from the flu every year. It's like a lot. It's so many things that we take for granted, as in life. These older folks, they are not asking to die real fast. They're not asking for this virus. So to help contain that, we can try our best as the social distancing as much as we can. Try to do everything we can possibly so we can come together. I mean, like, let's come together as one. Let's do one thing right for one time. All they ask of us is to stop doing the stupid shit that we're doing. But yet, I'm in the DC area. The cherry blossoms is blooming. I've never seen them. As a photographer, I want to go take pictures out there. But I'm trying not to be one of the dumbasses out there, just, vlogging. It's not going to bother me. This thing is pretty deadly. I mean, it's highly contagious, and we're taking it so lightly. So that means, like, let's say in the next 10, 20 years, the next big pandemic, we're going to let's say it's even worse than this. Think about it. I'm thinking more of the future. Let's think about, let's say, anthrax or whatever, I don't know, something real deadly comes in, and we're just going to take it as a joke. It's like, well, it's just, it's not going to happen to us. Like, as in, I was speaking to my mom yesterday, and I'm from a small town in South Carolina, and my mom's taking it seriously, but, there's people in the area who are like, well, we're in such a small area, it's only hitting, like, big cities, and we're not going to bother. I mean, but in today's case, they may not see 100 people in a week. So they thinking, well, such a small town, nobody's going to bother us. But let's say, me, hypothetically speaking, I'm, I don't know, the whole type A, type B thing, I don't get it that way. Let's say I'm actually one of the guys, that goes down there. Let's say I go to the city and go to the local Walmart. I have it. And, I don't know I have it, or maybe I'm positive and I don't know I'm positive. And I just happen to contact this person, contact that person. Now the whole fucking town has it. So let's be more, let's stop being so closed-minded that it cannot happen to us. I mean, even they're having church down there, for God's sake. I mean, close the damn church. Just close the damn church. I mean, praise the Lord. Yes, and yeah, the Lord to help you do all that. But come on, let's be a lot more proactive and a lot more smart about this thing, because this thing is very dangerous and it's closing down borders. I mean, how serious can you? I can't even go to the gym, for God's sake. I'm going to be fat as shit after this whole thing's over. I mean, come on. All I'm doing is eating. I actually went for a walk today, as you guys see. So, all in all, guys, just stay safe because I don't even know what to tell you guys anymore. I mean, it's almost sad that we take things so lightly because it doesn't affect us, but it actually does as a whole human race, and it actually this actually bring us together more. You know, one love. You know, everything. You know, come together as people. But that's my spiel for like the little interjection of the video. We're gonna make this mac and cheese in a few. Jessica's taking that right now, so I just decided to sneak this in. But we're gonna make the mac and cheese, the lobster mac and cheese in a few. Just I'll show you guys that. Hopefully that gives you some kind of recipe, coronavirus recipe, basically. Coronavirus lockdown recipe. That's the name of this video. I might end the video here. You guys next you'll be seeing us making this mac and cheese. You guys have a good day and stay safe, please, because it's stupid out there. And make sure you're P.S. The whole gloves and mask thing. Think about it. If I put spit on let's say I put a glove on my hand. Just a quick example. Let's say I spit on my hands, and just put water or whatever, and do this for yourself. Put gloves on. Put water in your hands, and whatever. Or even paint, like put paint in your hands, and that represents the virus. Touch, just go around, doing what you're regular tape with the gloves on, with the paint on, and see how much things you actually touch. That means you're leaving the virus on wherever it is. So you take the glove off, I'm not affected anymore, but you get the fucking picture. But all right, you guys have a good day. I'm done. This virus is making me crazy. Luckily I'm still working, but cool. All you guys are unemployed, I wish the best for you guys. They got laid off and all that stuff. I'm sorry that this happened. It's just hopefully it gets better. Hopefully you bounce back as a nation. But you guys are out there being stupid and just being a crowd. You're making lives everybody's worse. Just stop being dumb. But all right, I'm done. Finally done. Have a good one.